Today we have done an unboxing of a Steelbird helmet which costs around 1500 on Amazon. As you can see, it is quite matte finished. It comes with a tinted visor fitted in it and also a clear visor in the box, and you can remove this visor by just this clip. So it is a medium size, around 8.5 inches wide and 10 inches in length. This is its vents. This is the upper vent. You have to move it backwards to open the vent, and another vent is at front. You have to move upwards to open it. There is a vent over here also, and exhaust vents at the back. Let's remove this sticker. Let's fix the clear. So our clear visor is fixed, and this is how it looks. And it has a notch over here so that the visor comes and fits in that groove and locks up. And the belt straps are good. You can remove this inner layer with the help of button. So that you can remove this and wash it properly. It has 3 buttons in the end, and front one is a plastic structure. The straps are good, not so great, but they are good in quality at this price, and the design is quite decent and looks good with any color of bike. Let it be black color or white color or orange and white color, any color. And it fit moderate head size. And for comparison, I do have another helmet. So this is the old one. You can compare it. It doesn't have a removable inner layer. It is a decent size. Straps are not so good. No top vents, a front grill which cannot be closed in case you want to lock. You don't want the air noise to come in. That option you don't get in this helmet. It is a cheap kind of helmet. Again, in this you get this vent where you can towards your head so that it gets flow in this direction, come out in this direction. Aerodynamically designed and quite well looking.